Before we create a new project, we first need to create the responsible manager in the organization breakdown structure of Primavera P6. To create the manager, we click on Enterprise and OBS. In front of you, you will see the OBS menu. This menu contains the responsible departments of the organization and the managers. To the managers, users are linked which have certain user rights. To add a new user, we will select the OBS element ARAM Academy. After this, we click on Add. We will fill in the manager's name in the tab General. Next, we click on the arrow pointing to the right. The next step is linking the user to the manager. Creating users and assigning them certain user rights is not part of this course, so for now we will only deal with linking them. We will click on the tab Users and click on Assign. Select Admin, and after this we click on Assign and Close. You have now linked the Primavera admin user to the manager. To close the OBS menu, we click on Close. The new project, which we still have to create, will be placed on our new EPS element. To open the EPS menu, we click on Enterprise, EPS. The new EPS element will be created under the ARAM Academy. We select ARAM Academy and click on Add. To place the element in the right hierarchy, we click on the indent arrow to the right. The new element is placed under the ARAM Academy and still needs to get a name and ID. We click in the field EPS ID and fill in the ID. After this, we click in the field EPS name and fill in the name. Finally, the manager, which we have created before, will be linked as the responsible manager for this EPS element. We click in the field Responsible Manager. We select the responsible manager and click on Select. To close the EPS menu, we click on Close. We are going to create a new project, and for this project we will use the EPS element and the responsible manager which we have created in the previous section. We click on Enterprise and on Projects to open the Projects menu. As you can see on your screen, the projects are grouped according to the EPS. We select the EPS element and click on File and on New. The Create a New Project menu has appeared on your screen. In this menu, we will select the right EPS. Therefore, we click on Select EPS and we will select the right EPS element. Now we click on Select, and when the menu has closed, we will click on Next. In this menu, the project ID and name can be filled in. We click in the field Project ID and fill in the project ID. We will do the same for the project name, so click in the field Project Name and fill in the name. Finally, we click on Next. In this menu, we will fill in the starting date. We click in the field Planned Start, and in the calendar we select the right starting date. and after this we click on Select. We will not fill in the must finish date, and therefore we click on Next. In this screen, the responsible manager will be selected. When the right responsible manager is selected, we click on Next. In the field Assign Rate Type, the price unit can be adjusted. We won't do this right now, and so we click on Next. We won't make any use of the project architect and click on Next. Congratulations has now appeared on your screen. We have successfully created a new project, and we can close the menu. To close the menu, click on Finish. Primavera P6 also offers the possibility to import and export files. To show this, we will export the project we created in the XER format, and we will import a different EPS element. To export a project, we click on File and Export. We select Primavera XER in the Export menu and click on Next. We want to export a project, so we select the option Project and we click on Next. The project we would like to export is visible on the screen. This is because this project has been opened. We click on Next. In this menu you can select the path to which the file will be exported. We will leave the path as it is and we click on Finish. On the screen, a pop-up will appear with the text that the export was successful. We click on OK. To import a project, a similar menu is used. We will go through the menu to import a project, but we do select a different EPS element. On the screen, a pop-up has appeared with the text that the project was successfully imported. We click on OK. In the project's workspace, you can see the project we just have imported. By exporting a project, you have made a backup copy of your project. We advise you to often make a backup. We will leave the project's workspace by clicking on Home.